Welcome back to the 28-day challenge Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to do a move called brush knee and push, where one hand brushes past the knee and the other one pushes. Now both hands are actually doing the same circle, but opposite, complementary opposites again. Let's start off with some big circles to kind of show that. If we shift our weight from side to side, and we turn our waist, and the left hand comes up front, and as it comes back, we let it come up and across like I'm throwing a ball in this direction. Watch it brush past my knee. Watch it push. Large circles. And then we get going the other way, the other hand, throwing the ball that way. So we've got these large circles. And on the sides, they line up. Brush, knee, and push. And I'm going to go, instead of 90 degrees, 45 degrees. Brush, knee, and push. Brush, knee, and push. Brush, knee, and push. Now, if I stop this motion at any time, we can come to where we're holding the ball, or this is called holding the fish, where the circles, if we stop them at any point, as we condense them, make the circle smaller. We have holding the ball, which is a transition move, and holding the fish. Carry the ball to the side, turn back to the front, brush, knee, and push. If I go to the front, holding the ball, turning to the side. So if I start to rotate the ball, or if I start to hold the fish and I come up, brush past the knee and push. Circle, circle, holding the ball, turn. Turning the torso turns the arms. Inhale. Exhale. And then we can go to the other side as well. Hold the ball, carry it to the other side, brush, knee, and push. So it becomes more fluid and it becomes more relaxed. Breathing in, holding the ball, turning to the front, brush, knee, and push, carrying it to the other side. And we just relax more and we flow more. Nice. Notice that we're holding the ball. It is the top hand that goes down, that circles down. Returns to the top of the ball, and that is its circle. The bottom hand rolls back and up and pushes, and that is its circle. The hand on top, the hand on bottom, brush, knee, and push. Holding the ball. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now if we're holding the ball and we shift weight, turn the toe out, shift weight again, come in and tap. The top hand in this tapping foot are linked. So I step out, rotate the ball, comes up, shift my weight forward, brush, knee, and push. Forward, shift my weight back, turn. This hand's already in place. Come up, hold the ball, step forward, brush, knee, and push. How about walking back? Cross. Align. Roll back up. Hands apart, feet apart. Sit back, come in. Start to pull back. Step back, roll back. Inhale. Exhale. And then we can step up, cross, separate, sink. What if we're turning side to side? Brush, knee, and push to the left and to the right. Well, the first thing we have to do is hold the ball. We have to turn the torso, and as I turn the torso, I need to place the foot out to the left in line with my hips, where my hips are going to be, and I transfer weight, come up, turn out that rear heel, brush, knee, and push. The weight is forward, shift the weight back, turn, hold the ball, step in, brush, knee, and push to the other side. Brush, knee, and push. Brush, knee, and push. Thank you for joining me.